been successfully intercepted. That is what the Iranian army is saying. US-Israeli Lucas drone was intercepted and successfully shot down by the Iranian Army Air Defense Forces in Kashem. So Iran shot down a US-Israeli drone. So like we told our viewers, Iran continuing to retaliate, continuing to strike multiple areas, Gulf nations, Israel, US bases. That is continuing, and Iran is saying they're shooting, their own defense systems are shooting down drones which are fired towards them by US and Israel. So back-to-back updates coming in here on Republic TV. We see those pictures on our screen. That is the drone which has been intercepted, shot down by the Iranian Army air defense system. So we see that the air defense systems of Iran are active, and so are, we have seen that many of the Gulf nations have also claimed that their defense systems are stopping drones and missiles from hitting key areas. That is the drone which has been intercepted. This is a US-Israeli Lucas drone which has been intercepted and shot down by the Iranian defense systems. We are getting these updates. Let's go back to Gesu, who's joining us live from our newsroom. Gesu, just take our viewers through these pictures which are coming in. This is a drone which has been intercepted by Iran. This is a US-Israeli drone which was fired towards Iran.
Right, Shivangi, on your screens right now, this is the Lucas drone that has been shot down. And the image, in fact, the footage was released by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps. The Iranian military has also released footages of the drone that was shot down. Now, remember, the Iranian military says that this is like a doppelganger, almost a similar drone to their Shahed 136 drone. And remember, the Lucas drone is a relatively new US loitering munition that has been developed by an Arizona-based company in the US, and it costs relatively low as opposed to their other munitions and drones. And they developed this and they've started using this in the war against Iran, as US is reeling under heavy military costs that are going up because of the war that continues, because of the barrage that continues in West Asia. Now also remember, this strike was reportedly, this occurred at the Bandar Abbas island. In fact, not just that, we also have some more details here. This occurred over the Qeshm island in Iran, and this was intercepted by the Iranian military. Now they say that this is very similar to their Shahed 136 drone, and this is a relatively new, the Lucas is a relatively new US loitering munition, a drone that is very cheap to produce and again extremely lethal like the Shahed 136 that Iran has been deploying since the beginning of the escalations since 28th of February in West Asia. Now remember, US has started producing these low-cost drones. They've started cloning the Shahed 136 drones that originally belong to Iran to hit back Iran with munitions that are lower in cost and can be produced far more easily and at a faster pace than their general loitering munitions. And also this will levy down the costs that the US is taking for the war. But as the story goes, as what we're seeing, the IRGC has shot down the Lucas drone that entered its air defense. Now this happened over the Qeshm island. In fact, drones were also downed near the Bandar Abbas area, and that's the latest that we're getting in. These are the visuals of the drone completely dismantled, shattered by the Iranian air defense systems, and they have in fact said that this has some extreme similarities with their Shahed 136 drone. Shivangi.
All right, thank you for those details, Gesu. I will be getting you all those updates on Republic TV.